Dynamic line ratings is the next evolution of the technology of how we rate our transmission lines. So historically, we rely on kind of estimations of the conditions around our transmission lines to determine how much power we can push through the lines before they start to heat up and sag. And now with these sensors, we can actually measure the real conditions at specific critical points on the line so that we know exactly what's happening in real time and how much power we can safely push through our transmission bands.
The sensors are installed by opening up this Neuron like a Pac-Man, and it grips right onto the line. We can use drone technology or hot sticks to install it on any energized line anywhere.
There's been a couple challenges with this project of identifying locations of where they're going to be installed and what our access requirements were going to be. The benefit of these is as long as it's on the same transmission line, is able to provide those real-time ratings. And so if there is a location that was identified previously, and when you get out to the fields, it does not logistically make sense, we are able to move the device a span or two away where it's easier to install.
So over the next year, we're going to be observing the data through our winter peak and our summer peak to determine what kind of performance gains can we expect from the technology, and then also how are we able to scale this to a wider area across our transmission system.